Hello and welcome. My name is Will, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you how to save time and build wealth using simple, actionable systems. Your time is valuable to me, so let's not waste it and dive right into the video. If you're not using Notion in your life, you should be. In this video, I'm going to show you journaling. If you don't have the Notion app yet, go down below, click on that link, and go set up your Notion account first. But first, a quick disclaimer to help keep the higher-ups happy. Some of the links on this page are affiliate links, meaning at no additional cost to you, I may earn a commission if you click through and make a purchase. Other links may not be affiliate links, and I don't earn a commission. I only recommend products and services that I stand behind and that I trust. Your support helps keep this content free and accessible. Thank you for supporting the work that I do. Now back to the content. All right, now that we've got all the legal mumbo jumbo out of the way, go ahead and click on that link below, head over to Notion, create yourself an account. Go ahead, I'll wait. Awesome, welcome back. Now that you have that Notion account set up, you're ready to follow along with me. But if not, no worries, you'll get there soon enough. Now let's dive into hack number 1 that's going to help us find those extra 2 hours a day for us, journaling. Journaling is a simple practice, but the impact it can have on your day is huge. By spending just a few minutes in the morning or the evening on journaling, you give yourself the gift of clarity. First, journaling helps clear your mind. It's easy to feel overwhelmed with tasks, thoughts, and distractions. Writing it all down helps you prioritize and focus on what really matters. This leads to better decision making and less wasted time during your day. Second, journaling can help you track progress on your goals, whether it's personal development, work projects, or even managing your time. Writing down your goals and reflecting on them helps you stay aligned. When you have a clear picture of where you're headed, you avoid unnecessary detours and distractions, saving you valuable time. Finally, journaling encourages you to reflect. Taking time at the end of each day to reflect on what went well and what didn't helps for you to improve tomorrow. By making small adjustments every day, you will see big results over time. It's a powerful way to make sure you're always moving forward, always staying efficient. So if you're not already journaling, this is your first step towards saving those 2 hours a day. It's a tool that's easy to implement and can have a massive impact on your time management and productivity. Now that you understand how journaling can save you time, let's dive into my Notion journal together. I will walk you through how I have organized my journal. And if you'd like to use the same template journal alongside with me, I've included it down below in the description. I've made it available for you free of charge. Just click the link at the bottom of the screen and you'll be taken to my Stand store. Simply provide your email and I'll send you the link to the free journal template so you can import it into your Notion account. This template is absolutely free for you to use. Now let's dive in and take a look. Okay, when you click on the link down below in the description, it's going to take you to my Stand store. Here you're simply going to add in your name, email, and then you're going to hit download free now. Okay, so once you have gone to the Stand store and filled out your information, it will send you a link to your email. Now, what I want you to do here is click on that link and it is going to open you up into a new page. Now, if you've downloaded Notion, that was the important part. If not, it's going to take you to Notion. First thing, this is very important. Click on the duplicate button between the magnifying glass and the 3 horizontal dots. It's then going to ask you where you want to add your journal. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to click duplicate. Now, where would I like to add it to my journal? I'm just going to add it to Will's Notion, add to private. Now it is over here and I have the journal in here. So now this is editable, if that's a word. So right here, we're going to click right here, move to the left, click on these 6 dots. We're going to scroll down and we're going to choose duplicate. Now we're going to move our cursor to the left of this journal copy one again, and we are going to click open the actions button, and we're going to rename this. All right, so I am going to rename this 01/03/25 Friday. If you want, if this little plus sign over here, if you hit plus and then you type in page and click page right here, now we have a new page. I'm going to name this January, and then I'm going to click back, And then I'm going to take this and drag and drop it into January. So now when I open up January, I have today's date. I can go back up here. I can take the master journal. I can drop it into January as well. If you grab and drop this, see that blue line? If that blue line goes above that, that means it's going to move that above. Now I have the master journal here. Anytime I want, I can come over here from the master journal. I can hit duplicate, and then I can rename this 01.04.25 Saturday. Now I have, and again, you can move these however you want. Notion's a very powerful tool. It's kind of frustrating at first when you get into Notion and you don't understand it. There are plenty of tutorials online of how to navigate through Notion. It's an extremely powerful tool once you learn how to start using it. However, let's stick with today. Now we're going to go into today, Friday. This is what I call my seize the morning. So in the morning, how am I feeling today? I feel good and well rested. What are 3 things that I'm grateful for right now? My health, helicopters flying overhead. I don't know if you heard that on the audio. My family. And these are things that just kind of clear my mind. And I think it's good that you start your day with what you're grateful for. If it does sound silly, if you don't like some of the stuff, highlight all of this stuff, you can hit delete on your keyboard and it's gone. And you can still come down here to the journal entry, start writing how you feel. I've even taken it another step, and I have my microphone connected to my MacBook. If you guys want to see a tutorial on that, just go ahead and comment microphone in the comments below, and I will put together a quick tutorial for you on that. But if not, all of this stuff is here for you. What is one thing that I can do today to make today successful? Upload a video to YouTube. What is one small step that I can take towards making my larger goals a reality today? Time block. If you guys are interested in time blocking, you know what? Whether you're interested in it or not, hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a time blocking video coming up and the powers of it. Time blocking is insane. Is there anything from yesterday that I need to carry over to today? I forgot to take out the trash. What is one thing I've recently learned about that I further want to explore? BitLink. Do I feel that I'm aligned with my goals? Yes, absolutely. I am doing well on creating content, period. However, I need to work harder on my health goals. What is a habit that I can improve today that will make a difference of tomorrow? 30 minutes of cardio. What are my top 3 priorities for today? And does this directly contribute to my long-term goals? So my long-term goals are to continue sharing value with you on how you can create more time for yourself. I want to create more content. Update my content calendar. Set up a fitness tracker. Reserve the hotel for the vacation. So now I've got 3 different things. I've got something for my business, for my health, my family. I try to work on those pillars, my entrepreneurship, my health, my family, my friends. I try to keep those pillars strong. Those are the foundation of what makes me. So the reflection pool, this is something for the end of today. What went well today and why? What challenges did I face and how did I handle them? What's one thing I can celebrate today? Did I accomplish the tasks today that directly contribute to my long-term goals? And then seize tomorrow's top 3 tasks. Task 1 for tomorrow, go to the gym and do 30 minutes of cardio. Use ChatGPT to script out next YouTube video. If you have any interest in that, put it down below, guys. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you on your journey to creating your wealth and finding ways to advance time in your day so you can get those minutes back. Like I'm showing you here by using my microphone. I'm not having to type. I can just let my microphone do it. And it's a very powerful tool that saves me a lot of time. Again, if none of this stuff matters to you, you can simply highlight it, delete it, and it's gone. And you have it in that master still, so even if you delete it, you can go back to that master that you have. And you always have that link in your email, so you can always come back and re-download this. Sometimes I don't feel like entering all this information. Sometimes I just need a log, a reflection. And so I'll have my journal entry for the day, and I will just simply start typing that I had a bummer day at work. I came home and I worked on my videos for YouTube. I really need to focus on my cardio. I write down what I did with my day, what I plan on doing tomorrow, what are my goals. What I write down in the journal entry is what sets me up for my reflection pool for the end of the day. What went well today and why? I recorded videos. What challenges did I face and how did I handle them? Setting up the back end of my stand store. Chat GPT came in clutch. What's one thing that I can celebrate from today? Setting up my first shareable template. Did I accomplish tasks today that directly contribute to my long-term goals? Yes. Tomorrow's seize the day tasks. Again, what are tomorrow's seize the day's tasks? Take out the trash. 30 minutes of cardio. Draft script for next YouTube video. And so now I have seize tomorrow's top 3 tasks. So when I go into my journal for tomorrow, go up here to the master journal. I'm going to duplicate this. Then I'm going to drag it down here underneath Saturday, and I'm going to rename it to 0105. So now when I go into Sundays, what are my 3 top priorities for today? And does this directly contribute to my long-term goals? Right there, I already have the answer from yesterday. It's right here in my reflection pool. It's right here. Seize tomorrow's top 3 tasks. Take out the trash. 30 minutes of cardio. It's all right here. If I wanted to, I can just copy it. I can come in here to Sunday, and I can paste it. Right there. There's my top 3 things for tomorrow. Anyways, I promise you, this template, it's free. You can edit it, whatever, but that's okay. If you mess it up, you can always go back to that link that you got from me in your email. You can click it. You'll get that master back. As long as you are always duplicating this master and you don't go into the master and start changing the master, because if you start changing the master, that's when things are going to get messed up. But if you mess it up, again, you can go back and you can download it. Again, for you. But I use this every day. And like I says, there's some times where I don't do all of this. And sometimes it's just nice to write down my thoughts about how I had a wonderful day and how I was able to share a free Notion journal template with my subscribers that clicked down below, and they gave me a like button and they subscribed so that they wouldn't miss the next video on how to save time to help them create their online businesses through digital marketing. So again, I thank you for watching this video. Comment below on what you'd like to see. What content can I bring you? So I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.